Hey guys, boom, free ice cream, free cash, free IPL tickets, free gift, a lot more on Swiggy Instamart. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Ab kaise ho? As you see here, we have ordered some grocery and snacks on Swiggy Instamart with free cash, and you have 9 rupee deals. These diamond snacks are just at 10 rupees. You can check out. You have 9 rupee store on Swiggy Instamart and 1 rupee deals also. So these diamond snacks are budget friendly, so get snacking. And you have veggies also at 9 rupees. You can check out. And this love cake from Baker's Dozen with zero maida is super yummy. You need to taste. I've got it at just 10 rupees. Now we'll see what are the free gifts. First we'll go for scratch and win. This is from Baker's Dozen. Charcoal chip muffin, and you can purchase on Swiggy Instamart, and you will be given a scratch card as shown in the video. Okay, let me tell you, you can win RCB memorabilia, that is a signed bat and a signed jersey t-shirt of the cricketers by just scratching on the card as shown in the video. Once you see if you have won RCB memorabilia, then you can WhatsApp your selfie along with the scratch card to the number as displayed on the screen. So this is the chocolate muffin. You can buy this or get this on Swiggy Instamart at just 29 rupees. It tastes super good and is so airy. Okay, next this is auto added free gift in my cart by Swiggy Instamart. These bananas are of good quality. Next we have one more free gift. This is protein bar with zero added sugar on orders above 499 rupees. And you can check out during match hours when the sixer is hit. You all know you can get a free gift by tapping on the timer, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. And this is Super U cheesy wafer. Gives you 10 grams of protein, which is of good quality. It is flaky, creamy, and tastes super good when chilled. Do check out this free gift and don't miss it, and gives you 10 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber. And you have next free ice creams of Go Zero products, and you can check out the coupon on Cred by going for your daily rewards. And if you don't have the coupon, you can go to my description box. Just copy the coupon code and a link would be provided over there. You can click on the link. When you click on the link, you can see all the Go Zero ice creams would appear as shown on the screen. You can add to the cart whatever ice creams you want and apply the coupon which you have copied at checkout as shown here by going for apply coupon, and you can enjoy 150 rupees and 100 rupees free ice creams by just applying the coupon. Once the coupon is applied, you can check out successfully and enjoy free ice cream from Grow Zero with 0 calories and 0 added sugar. And here is orange ice pops from Go Zero, and it's a super good of natural oranges. You have good quality products or ice creams of Go Zero. Do check out. Okay, now I'll show you as how you can get free IPL tickets. You go to Swiggy Instamart. Free cash 75 rupees is available. Do use it while placing the order. You can go to Deal Rush, go to Sort and Filter, and if you want free ice creams from Go Zero brand, you can add to cart Go Zero ice creams, whichever you want. But you have to apply a coupon at checkout, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. And you can go win free tickets by tapping on free IPL tickets as shown in the video and start playing the game. Let the balls be in the air. Once you are done playing the game, you can win rewards or free IPL tickets. To see the rewards, just tap on shop on Instamart and add to the cart the products you want, and you can get back. Okay, just tap on scratch and win RCB memorabilia. Once you tap on that, from here you can buy chocolate chip muffin of Baker's Dozen, which will give you a chance to win RCB memorabilia via scratch card, which I've shown previously. Now get back. go to 9 rupee corner and add to cart the 9 rupee products, or you can check out 9 rupee store. Now once again get back to get a free gift. When the sixer is hit in IPL, the timer would be on as shown on the video. You can tap on that and pick your free gift. Once you're done, you can go to cart and see an auto added free gift also would be available along with the free gift that you have added. And if you want free ice creams, you can go to apply coupon and paste the coupon of credit. If the coupons are not available with you can check out my description box. After applying the coupon, you can enjoy free Go Zero ice creams, and you can add steal deals and check out. Once you place the order, you can get a scratch card as shown on the video and win a coupon. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out. Enjoy free ice creams. Thank you.